Hello, thank you for joining me today. As you can see, we are doing an unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's start. All right, as usual, simple package with the Apple Watch in front of it. At the back of the device here, we do have a couple of information regarding the Apple Watch, and let's open it. So we're gonna break the seal here and open this side as well. And then open that and open this one. It is a regular package. You have seen this package before, and there's absolutely nothing here to see. This is the book. It is kind of premium as always, and inside we do have the picture of the Apple Watch and a couple of other informations. As you can see, is very beautiful. The design is the same as the previous year, except from the new color that we have. So as you can see, that is pretty much simple. Let's put this on the side here, and inside we do see two different boxes. We have the Apple Watch itself on this side here, and here we do have the what should I say here? It is the titanium. Perfect. And as you can see, we do have the bracelet here. As you can see, inside we have how we can put it on, and basically a couple of information regarding the this itself. So we open it. So this band actually is best, is the top of the line here, and it is in titanium, and this one will cost you an extra money from the base model if you are interested in this. So let's see this. Okay, we have to pull here, take it off. There we go. So there you go, it's all set. Oh, a lot of wrap here. I'm gonna remove this wrap. All right, so this is the this side. It is the 49 millimeters that I have, and this is how it is. So, I mean, this is not bad. It is premium quality. Okay, let's put this on the side here, remove all this crap. Okay, and then this is the watch itself. Again, we do have nothing at the back, and the watch itself. So let's just open it. And now open it from here, and another one from here. Okay, and we can lift it up. Yeah, Apple's unboxing is always tight with air here. All right, so we have some cutout here, but no big deal. Inside we do have the Apple Watch itself, and this is a fast charger, so it's braided, not in black, it's in white. I don't know why they cannot make it in black to match the Apple Watch itself, but this is what we got. And from here we do have the watch itself, which is very beautiful. I'm gonna take it off. All right. Look at this, man. This is beautiful. All right, so this is it. I already have a lot of this is a good quality glass. It's a kind of sapphire, so we don't need to worry about the scratches here. So on this side we have this the button as usual, and the speakers, the microphones, and here we have the crown and the button here. So let's put this turn on. There we go. It's Apple Watch Series Ultra 2, and yeah, that is pretty good so far. I mean, there's nothing different from the previous model, but I like the color. It is black. The color it's just amazing, and it is very good here. So yeah, we like it. So from here we just need to pair with our phone, and then we should be ready to use. Okay, well, this was just a quick unboxing. If you have never seen this before, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Maxi Limit signing out. Cheers.